everyone, my name is Ibuki. I just done with my first class, and then most of them they do walking first time, but they are the best. It was so good class. I was so enjoyed, and I can see that everyone was like trying their best, and I really love it. Thank you so much.
Yo, I just finished my last class here at Fair Play. It's my first time here, so I'm just, I don't know, I have no words really. I've always wanted to come here. All my friends are here all the time, and they just say how amazing it is to be here, and the vibe is right. All the students are talented, the vibe is dope. It's like, it's all that you want like in a camp, and I think, yeah, for my first time, I think was a success. At least for me, I felt great. Super tired, but all the students are always giving their all, and I think that's what keeps me going, keeps all the teachers going. So, yeah, I just I hope to be back again, and yeah, come to Fair Play, y'all.
What's up, guys? This is Melvin Tim Tim, and I just got done teaching for my first class in Poland in Fair Play Dance Camp, and it's absolutely amazing. I love it so much. I love everyone out here. I love how it all gets together with everyone in the world, and they're able to learn from me, you know what I'm saying? And then also with the teachers too, the faculty, and then everybody just wants to get down. Everybody just wants to learn. They're not scared of anything. They're so hungry, and yeah, it's amazing to be here. It's amazing to be on the stage. It's amazing to watch the students, and yeah, absolutely happy about it for my first time, and I can't wait for my second class, man. Yeah.
Welcome, boys, to my sunshine, will teach ya.
Day one, my first class done at Fair Play. I wanted to come here so bad, and now I'm here, and I must tell you, it's been nothing but a blast. Amazing dancers, great energy. My class was last, and I was kind of scared, but holy moly, you were on it. So thank you so much for your love. Thank you, Fair Play, for having me. I cannot wait for tomorrow, one more class. Elanio pa quando. It's gonna go down, because that's how we do it. All day, every day. Let's go.
Be free. And paint the paint the